Hi Cykanikers! I have a new video for you. Please consider subscribing and click that notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I love you. So I started off with a yellow concealer from NYX. Blend, blend, blend. And then LA Girl black gel liner for my eye base. And then I just place it on the entire eyelid, and then I also blend it as well. And then on top of it, I placed black eyeshadow cashmere from Dust Twilight palette. On the same palette, I used the angelic color as my transition color and to blend the eyeshadow seamlessly. And then I use black gel liner again for my waterline and tight line and upper lash line. So all in one. I really love this gel eyeliner, guys. I vouch for this eyeliner. Winging it, girl. And just continue to blend, blend, blend. And then for this look, I decided to use this desert sand on top of the black eyeshadow, but I decided to change it and make it more dramatic and use the MAC eyeshadow glitter. Oh my god, I super love this one. And the result was stunning. Look at this. Using a makeup remover, I just cleaned the edges. This is the first time that I made my eyeshadow first, and then next will be the base. And for my brows, I use this brow wax to tame my brows and to make it stay in place. Using a non-dramatic false eyelashes on this look, and then using this Clarins mascara. I super love it as well. It's volumizing and it adds up to the drama in my eyes. And I use this LA Girl brown gel liner for my brows. It's super brown and well, we're going to work it out. And then just add brush, yay, like that. And then using this La Roche, it's a German brand. It was given by my auntie and I just tried it today. And voila, I super love the foundation. It looks like my skin and it's flawless, and blending it with this flat kabuki brush. Don't forget your neck as well, because you know, matching is the key. So I'm going to use this Catrice camouflage concealer on my eye bags and on my nose bridge, and especially the areas that need to be highlighted. So I just tap and blend, blend, blend. And to set everything in place, I use Nichido translucent powder. This will be your best friend if you have an oily face like me. And for our contour, I'm so sorry, the video clip was deleted. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And for my blush, I used the Embellish from Tarte. And for my highlighter, I used this super nice highlighter from Wet n Wild. And for my lips, I outline my lips with this beautiful Super Stay lip liner. And then for my lipstick, I used this Toasted Brown from Maybelline. Super love it, as you can see. Mwah. Using a black gel liner again on my lower lash line, and as well as, in order for that not to smudge, I use the same color, which is the cashmere, and Clarins for my mascara again for my lower lashes. And for my lips, I finish it off with lip gloss. And voila, this is the finished look. I hope you like this one, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Sarang